நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். போன வீடியோவில் நம்ம ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் g is equal to a star b is equal to a plus b plus 1 இதோடைய குரூப் என்னன்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இந்த இதில் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஃபார்மேட்டில் உள்ள ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு எப்படி நம்ம குரூப்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறது அந்த மாதிரிப்பட்ட கான்செப்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி உள்ள ப்ராப்ளத்தை பார்க்கலாம். ஆக்சுவலாக ப்ராப்ளம் என்னென்னா let g is equal to a, a is a 2x2 matrix. So a ன்னு சொல்லும்போது இந்த a எல்லாம் என்னது a belongs to r star. R star means is a non-zero element. இது சொல்லலாம் 0 0 0 0 ன்னு எடுக்க கூடாது. ஏன்னா a belongs to r star. R star சொல்லும்போது ஒரு non-zero element தான் எடுக்கணும். பட் b ன்னு எடுக்கலாம். So that format அந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸ் உடைய ஃபார்மட் ஆனது எல்லா காலம் என்ட்ரியும் எல்லா என்ட்ரியும் சேமா இருக்கணும். So 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 இந்த மாதிரி கூட எடுக்கலாம். So actually format என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான் set like g is equal to set of all matrices a such that a belongs to r star is a group under multiplication. Here this dot is operator, that is a multiplication. So we prove enough to prove star this matrix, that is dot is operator, enough to prove g comma dot is closed. And second one, dot is associative. Third one, identity element exists, and the fourth condition, the inverse element exists. So first we prove g comma dot is closed. What do you mean closed? Closed means we take the any two elements in that group implies and a dot b is also belongs to that g. ரெண்டு எலிமெண்ட் எடுக்கறீங்க, அது ஆபரேட்டரால ஆபரேட் பண்ணும்போது அதே நம்பர் ஆனது அதே எலிமெண்ட் வேல்யூ ஆனது எங்க இருக்கணும், g ல இருக்கணும். அதுதான் இது க்ளோஸ்ட். ஓகே, சோ we take the any two elements in that g. Let any two elements எப்படி எடுக்கிறது? Let x, y belongs to g such that x எந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்முலா இருக்கும்? x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So diagram என்னது? let a b belongs to g எடுக்கலாம். இது அதோட சிம்பிள். let x, y belongs to g such that x is equal to the format, y equal to the format. Okay, what is x dot y? So x dot y is equal to a dot b is equal to, so product of the matrix. Here this is a 2x2 matrix, here this is a 2x2 matrix. So again in multiplication we get the 2x2 matrix. So first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. So that is equal to multiply a dot b plus a dot b, that is 2ab. Again 2ab is a dot a plus a dot a 2ab. Okay, so a is also belongs to r star and b is also belongs to r star. It's a non-zero element. Okay, so x dot y, so these 2 is a non-zero, a is non-zero, b is non-zero, that is also belongs to g, since another 2ab is not equal to 0. This is a non-zero element. Okay, so that is x dot y belongs to g. Therefore x comma y belongs to g implies x dot y is also belongs to g. Therefore g comma dot is closed. Second one, associative. Okay, so associative means second associative. Okay, so associative means let x comma y comma z belongs to g implies x comma y comma z belongs to g implies x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z. Okay, so we take z value, so let x is element and y is also an element, that is z is equal to, we say let z is equal to, we say c. Okay, c. First you find x dot y dot z. X dot y dot z is equal to x is element a and then y dot z b dot z c. Okay, so that is equal to a. Then multiply these two matrix, that is bc, that is 2bc 2BC. So B dot C plus B dot C, that is 2BC. So that is equal to A 2ABC. First row, first column. 2ABC, 2ABC. That is 4ABC, 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 4ABC. A belongs to R star and B belongs to R star, C belongs to R star. So totally 4 ABs also belongs to A star. So another A is belongs to R star. It's a non-zero element. Here 4 is not equal to 0, A not 0, B not 0, C not equal to 0. So totally this element is, so here this 4 ABC is not equal to 0. So that is an element of, that is also belongs to R star. Okay. So the X dot Y dot S is equal to this one. This is 1. Then you find X dot Y dot Z. Okay, what is X dot Y? Multiply this. That is AA dot BB CC dot CC. Okay, so that is equal to, you multiply these two matrix. That is equal to AB BB, that is AB, that is 2AB, 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 and that is CC. Okay, so that is equal to X dot Y, that is AB, so that is equal to A dot B plus 2AB, then this. Aduthathu 2AB dot C, 2ABC plus 2ABC, that is 4ABC, 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 4ABC. So that is also belongs to R star. So this is also 2. So from 1 and 2, X dot Y dot Z is equal to X dot Y dot Z. So the conclusion is, therefore dot is associative. Now you find the identity element. What's the identity property? So the identity property is A star is equal to A. So A star is equal to E. So identity, let X belongs to G such that X is the element, that is X is equal to A. So such that X dot is equal to X. X dot is equal to X. So what are the X? That is A, E also element E equal to A. Okay, so that is equal to, actually find the identity element A dot E plus A dot E. So first row, first column A dot E, first row, first A dot E, that is 2AE, 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 AA. Cover the row, each entry, that is equal to, so 2AE equal to A. 2AE equal to 1 of the first row, first column, then first E. 2AE equal to A. 2AE equal to E. So each compare each entry, that is 2AE equal to E. So A cancel, E equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the identity element is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, now find the inverse element. Inverse property fourth one, that is X dash is equal to, or X star equal to identity. A star A dash equal to identity. What about X? So that is equal to A dot is operator, A1 equal to E 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that is equal to, that is AA1, that is 2AA1, 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 2AA1 equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So that is equal to, compare the each and row and column entry, same, that is 2AA1 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so that is 2A1, so A1 is equal to 2A by 2 So that is cancelled. So A1 is equal to A. A1 is equal to A. That is 2A. A1 equal to 1 by 2. We cross multiply. That is 2A. So A1 equal to 2A by 2. 2 to cancel. A1 equal to A. Therefore the identity element is A1 equal to A. That is A. This is the inverse element. Therefore the inverse element is A. Identity element is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So the conclusion is, so the closure property is okay, then associative is okay, then identity element is okay, then finally the inverse is also exists. So the inverse is 1 A. So we satisfies the 4 conditions. Therefore, so the conclusion of the problem is, therefore G comma dot is group under multiplication. It's a very simple problem. It's a matrix. Actually the problem is matrix related problem. So ordinary or binary operator use பண்ணி வரதில்ல. Matrixல அந்த வர ஃபார்மேட்டை நம்ம குரூப் பண்ணி பண்ற ப்ராப்ளம். It's a very simple application problem. So உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே. So உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருந்தா subscribe பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்த வீடியோல இன்னும் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸோட அடுத்த வீடியோஸ்ல பார்ப்போம். Thank you.